Hello students, welcome to this video. This is the part 2 of your physics chapter 1 question answers. In the part 1 we have done till question number 10. Now we will start from question number 11. Molecules of a substance are in motion. What type of path do they follow? So we all know the molecules are always moving in a random motion and the path they follow is zigzag path. Okay. Number 12, describe a simple experiment to illustrate that molecules are not at rest but they constantly move. So there is an experiment, okay, where we have to take a beaker which is partly filled with water. Then we have to put some lycopodium powder. After putting the lycopodium powder, what we have to do? We have to stir it with a glass rod. Okay, then small amount of that liquid suspension should be taken in a glass plate and we have to view it under microscope. Okay, but before viewing we have to put some light, okay, of a lamp to the glass plate. Then upon viewing, what we will see that the molecules, particles of the lycopodium are always moving randomly in a zigzag pathway. Okay, number 13. Okay, write down 5 general properties of solid, liquid and gases. Now 5 general properties are, they are made up of very small particles, they have space between them which we call intermolecular space, they are always in random motion, the particles always attract each other and we call it intermolecular force of attraction, and molecules occupy space. Number 14, give the molecular model of a solid and use it to explain why a solid has a definite volume and a definite shape. Now we all have studied in our class that molecules of the solid are tightly packed. There is no space in between them. There is no space between them. Okay, so they cannot be compressed. They cannot be compressed. That means they have a definite shape and definite volume. You have to draw this diagram in your copy just below your answer. Okay, now number 15, describe the molecular model of a liquid. How does it explain that a liquid has no shape but has a definite volume? The answer is, the attractive force of molecules in a liquid is lesser than, not as strong as solid, so they are loosely packed. As the molecules are not attracting each other, they are farther apart. Okay, but the molecules can move over one another. Okay, thus the liquid has a definite volume but its shape changes because its molecules are moving. And same thing, you have to draw this diagram below your answer. And number 16, a gas has neither a definite volume nor a definite shape. Describe the molecular model to explain it. Now molecules of gas lie much farther than they lie in liquids and solids. Why? Because there is least force of attraction between the molecules. Okay, so they are free to move. They occupy the space what is available to them. Okay, when their molecules are freely moving, they do not have definite volume and definite shape. Okay, the diagram you have to draw below your answer. And number 17 is, distinguish between the 3 states of matter, solid, liquid and gas, on the basis of their molecular model. So number 1 is properties, arrangement of molecules. So arrangement of molecules in solid, they are closely packed, liquid they are loosely packed, and gases they are very loosely packed. Intermolecular force of attraction in solid, it is very strong, in liquid less strong, and in gases negligible. Now the shape, solid has definite shape, liquid and gases they do not have definite shape. Volume, solid has definite volume, liquid has definite volume, but gas do not have definite volume. Compressibility, solids are not compressible, liquids are slightly compressible, and gases are highly compressible. Okay, number 18, distinguish between solid, liquids and gases on the basis of their following properties.